Hey, it's Jason. I'm down here in Florida again. Business sent me down for a quick trip, and I had a couple hours before my flight, and I thought I would check out the Tampa Bay Auto Museum. So I'm outside of the Tampa Bay Auto Museum. I'm gonna go ahead and check it out inside. My understanding is they have a lot of 1920s and 30s cars that I'm gonna be looking at. It's a hot day down here, but it's a beautiful day, and I'm super excited to check it out. Follow along. All right, so I just finished up at the Tampa Bay Auto Museum in Pinellas Park. So it's like on the other side of the bay from Tampa. Super cool museum. What did I like about it? A very good mixture of vehicles, and it wasn't just a bunch of American vehicles. I think there were maybe 3 or 4 American-made vehicles in the museum. Lots of French, lots of early cars that are no longer produced, like an old electric car. You know, a mixture of cars that really speaks to the owner's taste and uniqueness of his car collection. It is a private museum. One guy owns it. He owns a packaging company, and next to his packaging company here on Pinellas Park, he started the museum. And the lady that was checking him in said, yeah, you know, he collected so many cars, he started putting them in an extra building here, and then it turned into a museum, because what's the point of having a really cool car collection if you don't show it to everybody? And a fun fact, every car I saw was in driving condition, meaning they could turn the key and, you know, with a little bit of effort, drive it. And many were plated in the state of Florida with current tags and registration. So every Tuesday, she said, they rotate vehicles and drive them, and it's a working museum, meaning these cars don't just sit. So thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I would love to see if you're down in Tampa, come check this museum out. It's only $12 to get in, and it's worth it. Have a great day.